Welcome. Today we're discussing the rights and procedures related to self-represented defendants in New Zealand criminal courts. What happens when someone chooses to represent themselves instead of hiring a lawyer? Let's dive in. In New Zealand, a defendant's case can be conducted in a few ways. Firstly, by a lawyer. Secondly, the defendant can represent themselves personally. And thirdly, if the defendant is a corporation, a representative authorized by the corporation can act. Under Section 11 of the Criminal Procedure Act 2011, every criminal defendant has the right to represent themselves in court. This is a fundamental right, but it can present some complexities. There are some key points to understand about self-representation. First, while defendants have the right to self-represent, the court may, in exceptional cases, appoint standby counsel to assist. However, a defendant's choice to self-represent must generally be respected. Second, standby counsel is different from amicus curiae. An amicus assists the court on legal questions, while standby counsel assists the defendant. Third, trial judges have specific obligations to ensure self-represented defendants receive a fair trial, without appearing biased. Case law, such as Fahy and R., provides further guidance. The Court of Appeal confirmed that the right to advance a defense is absolute. However, the court may proceed in the absence of a disruptive defendant. Fahy and R. also discussed the role of standby counsel extensively, emphasizing their appointment should be exceptional and their role clearly defined. The role of standby counsel includes advising the defendant on law, trial process, and courtroom etiquette, assisting with resources and witnesses, and conducting trial processes if requested. Section 95 of the Evidence Act 2006 places limitations on cross-examination by self-represented defendants, especially in sexual cases, family violence, or harassment proceedings. Standby counsel may be involved to put the defense case to complainants in such cases. Other case law, such as Condon and R. and Cumming and R., highlight the importance of a fair trial and the potential for convictions to be quashed if a self-represented defendant's rights are not upheld. Trial judges must explain rights to legal representation, the trial process, and rules of evidence. They must also ensure overall fairness and put any available defense to the jury. Effective communication is crucial. Judges must recognize the defendant's concerns, relate to them, and respond appropriately. Dealing with disruptive behavior is also a key aspect. Self-represented defendants may be permitted to have a lay assistant, also known as a Mackenzie friend. This person can provide support, prepare submissions, take notes, and offer advice, but they cannot address the court. In summary, self-representation is a right in New Zealand, but it comes with complexities. Judges and the court have specific roles to ensure a fair trial. Whether it's standby counsel, lay assistants, or the judge's own conduct, the goal is to uphold justice while respecting the defendant's choice.